This is Greenwich, which sits on the River Thames in London. This spot has the strongest claim of anywhere on Earth as being the perfect point to embark on a circumnavigation of the globe. All time is measured from here. Everywhere on the planet sets its clocks plus or minus Greenwich Mean Time. And this line is 0 degrees longitude. These lines of longitude are used to carve our planet into segments and to measure how far we've gone east or west, be it a sailor, an astronaut, or simply a commuter with a GPS unit. Our orbit will take us from Greenwich west around the planet to explore the remarkable places that appear along some of these lines of longitude. This journey will uncover the changing face of planet Earth. And this is the place that humankind has designated Go.
We have ignition.